When I ask my friends what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear about Busan, they will say, yes, they will say Train to Busan. No doubt Busan is popular because of the movie Train to Busan and also being the hometown of two BTS members, Jungkook and Jimin. But apart from that, it is the second biggest city of South Korea and home to some of the beautiful beaches and the temples. So today, let's go to Busan and have a wonderful time there. Let's go!
कराची से लोग अपनों के लिए ईद मनाने के लिए जा रहे हैं। कैमरामैन चांदू आपके साथ, जियो न्यूज़।
3 hours later.
And do you know what's the first thing that we did after arriving in Busan? The best part of our trip was staying in a 5-star hotel, Paradise Hotel Busan. So let me give you a tour of my room with an amazing view.
Okay guys, so this is our room. Wow, so I'm gonna be staying here alone. So we have 2 beds. Isn't it cool? Isn't it cool, guys? It's so cool. So we have 2 beds, and this is sofa. Here's your table where you can work and use your laptop. Here's a TV. This one is a refrigerator, I guess. So let's see what they have inside. Okay. Wow, they have some free stuff also. And now, very important thing, guys, let's see what is inside the toilet. I mean, if they have a bathtub or no. Okay, so there is a bathtub also. But guys, luckily we are alone, because otherwise, if you are here, anyone can see you from there. But guys, where is like the commode? I cannot find the toilet. Like, let's see what it is. Okay. Aha. So this is the private thing, toilet thing. I see.
In our hotel, there was even an ocean pool where you could see people taking a shower, swimming in a hot water. But I was so cold, so I just didn't even try to just even go into the water. By the way, guys, the view from this place was fantastic and very mesmerizing. We also got to meet and interview regional international relations ambassadors of South Korea. We went out to try food, but later on we decided to just go with the Indian and Pakistani food. So let's go to eat Pakistani food. The name of the restaurant is Punjab Restaurant, and I will ask my friends to order in Punjabi.
Just what Korean? Say it in Hindi. What do you want?
Punjabi curry.
No, like how many?
Egg Punjabi.
एक पंजाबी कुड़ी पंजाबी एक style.
Egg chicken curry. To plain naan.
And the rest one lami.
To plain lassi. Is that the right accent? And egg. Plain rice. Did I say plain rice again? I'm getting confused. So focused on the.
So these guys ordered Punjabi masala, Punjabi chicken masala or something. You haven't even tried yet.
Surprisingly, this might be like.
Okay, but the naan looks so good. Wow, that looks spicy.
Likes the lassi.
By the way, what did you order? That looks spicy. This one. The
It's chicken curry. This
Chicken
one
curry?
is masala.
Chicken masala. Okay.
So Ethan, how is it?
It's alright.
It's alright. How about you, Paul?
I like it. It's really good.
And Ethan A. How is it?
Eaten a.
Hold on. Let me try this.
Try. Lami?
Yeah, it's good.
Good. Oh, that's how you eat, man.
Okay, guys. So what are we wearing? Lami igamoya. What's that?
Crab.
Huh?
Crab.
Crab.
Yeah.
Crab. Okay. 귀여워. 너는
Dinosaur.
dinosaur is in Korean what it is?
콩룡.
How about you?
나는 텔레토비.
And I don't know what it is. Kangaroo?
It's the opposite.
Later on, in order to make some good memories, me and my friends went out and we did some photo shoot. We took the instant photos and let me show you how they come out.
So here are the 4 musketeers.
Yeah, we look so cute.
Sherwin. And then we have Taevian or Ten. And then we have Lami. So cute. Kya? Position. This is so cute.
At night, we went out to play some Korean games.
So Vian looks so professional, like a pro. Lami, good job.
And we did You Laugh, You Lose challenge also.
I love myself.
The next day, we went to United Nations Memorial Cemetery in South Korea. This is the only United Nations cemetery in the whole world where more than 2,300 people from 11 countries are laid down who participated and died during the Korean War.
So guys, these are all the 24 flags actually, you guys can see. So 22 flags are for those countries who participated in the Korean flag. So America, you can say British, Australia, there is even India and Turkey, Canada. So 22 countries, out of them 16 countries participated with their military force, and there were 6 countries like India who gave the medical aid. So yeah, 22 countries participating in the Korean War, and this is a cemetery that you can see. More than 2,300 people are laid down here.
In Busan, we also went to Oryok-do Island, and this bridge reminded me of the Squid Game's glass bridge game.
There's a game like this.
Our next spot was Gamchanmunwa Village, which is called Gamchan Cultural Village, which is also known as the Machu Picchu of South Korea. You can even see mural of Jimin and Jungkook also, because Busan is also a hometown of these 2 BTS members. I love the way all the homes were decorated in beautiful colors, and it is one of the very popular growing touristic spot in South Korea also. So after 1 night and 2 days trip to Busan, it was time to go back to Seoul. So we came back to Busan station. Anyways guys, please let me know what was your favorite spot in Busan. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.